Do you want to know how you can log into your Liberty PR account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Liberty PR account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar to search for Liberty PR login. Scroll a bit down and you can see Liberty PR customer portal. Go ahead and click on this link and it will lead you to the official login portal of Liberty PR. Go ahead and write down your user ID, your password, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Liberty PR account. You can also click remember me if you want to remember yourself the next time you log in. If you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, go ahead and click forgot password, and then it will lead you to another portal where you can write down your email address and you can click on verify. After you click on verify, email will be sent by Liberty PR, and then you can verify your email and then you can recover your password as well or your user ID as well. So I hope this video about how you can log into your Liberty PR account was helpful for you. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.